In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Moodle course. It's really important that you understand this because often students miss important things like the tutorial solutions when they don't know how to navigate the course properly. So once you are enrolled in the course, within 24 hours, you should gain access to the Moodle page. Now, at the top of the Moodle page, we've got what's happening over the next 3 weeks. So this is just for you to check that you've done everything that's expected of you for that week, and you can see what's coming up so that you can plan your time. I'll post important announcements under the announcements heading, so make sure that you are subscribed to that so that you get emails about what's going on in this course. Now, under the important course information, you've probably found this how to do well in this course watch before you start because you're watching the video which is on that page. Below that, you've got the course outline, which is a really important document about the assessments in the course. I highly recommend that you print out this page here, which has when all the assessment tasks are due, when you'll have access to them, and when you'll get the feedback from them, because you don't want to miss any of these due dates. There is a 25% per day late penalty because we do try and get these back to you relatively quickly. Below that, you've got the syllabus. There's a data sheet here, which you will find useful for some of the online quizzes, which you do during the course. You can use the values for the constants given on this data sheet. Now, plagiarism in the past has been a big issue in this course. So have a look at this page on plagiarism and make sure that you understand what it is so that you don't do it. To help in that, please complete this Working with Academic Integrity Moodle course. You should do the first 4 lessons. With the referencing style for this course, I don't really mind which style you use. You can choose as long as you do provide references for everything. So do the first 4 lessons in that academic integrity module before the course starts. Now below that, you've got some information about the final report. So this will be due near the end of the course, but it's a good idea to start thinking about it now and think, what are you interested in? What would you like to do? And in a couple of weeks, when you get access to your group discussion forum, you can start discussing your ideas with your tutor and the other people in your group. So this is where you're going to submit the draft of that final report. If you want, you can now have a look at some of the example submissions. You just have to click on them here and it will open them up. These are not perfect submissions, so you can probably do a much better job than that. Now, if you use Moodle from a mobile app a lot, from a mobile device a lot, there's an app here which you may find useful for accessing Moodle. Now, below here, you've now got access to topic 1. Each topic has a set of video lectures. So these are set out as books in Moodle, which means that there's a table of contents with a whole lot of chapters listed down on the left-hand side here. So you can navigate through the chapters by clicking on them, or you can navigate from the bottom of the page with these little arrows like this. So watch the video which introduces you to the theory. Below it, there's a summary of the equations because you may find this useful when you're revising things to answer quiz questions, etc. And then most of the videos also have a textbook reference below them as well, which is in the library in digital form. So you can click on that link. You may need to log in again with your student ID, but you can then view the library resources. So if you want some extra questions to practice, then there's often extra questions in some of these library resources, as well as a written explanation if you found the video explanation hard to follow. And then sometimes there's other resources as well, such as this PhET simulation. So for the final investigation for this course, you'll be using one of these simulations, but they're useful to make sure that you understand the ideas. So that's what the lectures look like. As well as lectures, for each topic you've got tutorial problems. So these are provided as a PDF. Have a go at the problems. The answers are provided on the final page. So if you get them right, that's great. If you get them wrong and you're not sure how to do it, then you do have solution videos. So again, in the book tool in Moodle, you can go through the table of contents or from the bottom page, and you've got a video. Now, wherever I've provided a video, I've usually provided 2 copies of it, one on YouTube, and the one down the bottom here is hosted on the box. That's just there because occasionally people are doing the course from a country where they cannot access YouTube, such as China, and so that's provided for them so that they can access that one. Those 2 videos are always the same. And then for each topic, you've also got a discussion forum. So if there's something you don't understand in the topic, then post up a question on the discussion forum and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Okay, so that's the Moodle course. If you have any questions about how to find anything, then just ask on the discussion forum. And in a few weeks' time, you'll also have access to your tutor in a group discussion forum at the bottom of this important course information section.